everybody, today on Henry's How To's, I'm going to show you how to make beef shish kebabs with couscous. Let's get straight into it. Okay guys, so I'm going to do my recipe based on 700 grams of diced beef rump. So I've just diced these into about 1 inch cubes, as you can see. Now if you don't want to use rump, you can use tenderloin if you prefer. Obviously it'll be more expensive, but there was more flavour involved. I personally like the flavour of rump, so I'm going to stick with that. So I'll set that aside for now, and we'll bring across 1 red onion. All we're going to do with our onion, slice through the middle again. We're just going to coarsely chop it like that. And we'll add this straight to our beef. Next we'll bring across 1 green capsicum, slice through the middle. We'll take the seeds out. And we're just going to coarsely chop these as well. Just like that. And we'll add that straight to our beef as well. So next we're going to season with 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and finally about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. So give this a quick mix, get everything well combined and well coated. And there's already a beautiful aroma coming out of this. So we'll cover this with some cling wrap, and we want to place this into the fridge for about 4 hours, but you can leave it overnight for best results. Alright guys, so just into a bowl I'm going to add 2/3 of a cup of vegetable stock. Now this is hot, I've just brought it up to the boil, and to this we'll add in half a cup of couscous. And I'll just give that a mix in there, just like so, and that's all we need to do. So by the time our kebabs are cooked, our couscous will be ready as well. Alright guys, so moving on, I'm going to put these on metal skewers like so, just small ones that I can grill. Now you can of course put these on bamboo skewers if you like. If you're doing that, soak your skewers for about half an hour beforehand so they don't burn. So what we're going to do is get 1 piece of our capsicum like that and skewer that on. Then we'll grab 1 piece of our beef, skewer that on. Then we'll grab a piece of our onion, skewer that on, and all we're going to do is repeat. So now we'll start again with a capsicum, another piece of beef, another piece of onion, and we'll go to another capsicum again, just like that. So we just want to repeat doing that. And you want to try and get pieces of beef that are about the same size. This will ensure proper cooking time. And we'll just repeat that with the other one as well. So I'm just going to cook 2 for now. But if you like, you can actually freeze this. Okay, so that's both our skewers done like that. So let's move on to our grill. Alright guys, so I've just got my grill on a medium to high heat. And we'll just simply place our skewers straight on. Now if you don't have access to a grill, you can just pan fry these, or you can throw them straight into the oven. So all we're going to do is cook these for about 3 to 4 minutes and then flip them over and continue cooking for the same amount of time. That should result in about a medium cooked kebab. Obviously if you want it well done, go longer. Alright guys, so I'm just at the 4.5 minute mark. At this point I'm going to go ahead and flip our skewers just like so. Just look at that beautiful charry colour. So we'll continue cooking for the same amount of time on this side. Alright guys, so I'm just at the 5 minute mark at this side. And our meat is nice and firm. So we're sitting at about medium right now. I don't want to go more than that. As I said, if you want to go well done, keep it there longer. So what we'll do is take our skewers and place them to the side now, so they rest. And we'll leave it there for about 2 minutes before we serve. Alright guys, so we'll grab our couscous that we made. As you can see, it's all been absorbed and it's nice and fluffy. Just place that onto our plate. And we just want to sort of make a bed with it. By doing this, when we put our skewers onto it, it'll absorb all that meat juice. Okay, and we'll go ahead and place our skewers straight on top. Just like so. And just look at that. And all I'm gonna do is just drizzle some yogurt sauce straight on top. That's just yogurt with lemon juice. Nothing special, but it works quite well with this. And we'll just finish it off with some sliced spring onions. Or you can use parsley if you prefer. And how beautiful does that look? Alright guys, and you saw how easy that was to make. So in my case I did serve it up with some simple, straightforward couscous. But of course, with rice, with bread, with salad, on its own is just perfect as well. Whatever you want to do. That's truly amazing. So guys, as always, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications. And I have new videos up every week. You can also follow me on Facebook, Snapchat, and Instagram. I'll see you all next time.